So today we got the skateboard, and now we're gonna ride it. That's Iandro.
Mickey Mouse. I wanna make his car.
Let's go. Alright guys, so this video started yesterday, but today I am gonna finish it. I'm riding on the skateboard. I'm gonna do a whole way to work on this thing and see how it rolls. But first I gotta say bye to my beautiful, beautiful wife. So after enjoying it for a full day, it is amazing to ride it. Now here I'm gonna go more into details and let you know exactly what's so cool about that scooter or skateboard. Alright guys, today is a very cool day. I've been with this thing already for 3 days. It's about 13 pounds. It's not that heavy. But as you saw in the intro of the video, I've been with this thing already for 3 days, and today we are going to finish the review. So here we are. This is the remote. I was about to fall. This is the power button all the way. Put it here. This is the power button all the way down here, right there. Now it is currently on, and here we go. You hear that? That is a maximum speed of 18 miles an hour with a range of up to 11 miles. So you can I can literally go to work about 5 times, go and come back home without recharging it. I only charged it like 2 times already, and it still has a lot of power on it. Like, you got a display. The display has on it a LED light, as you can see there. It has the accelerator and stop, the button to go backwards. You can choose if you want to go in reverse or forward. It also has the power button, and it tells you how much miles you're going an hour, how much charge you got left, and all that good stuff. I've been using it. It is comfortable to ride. It is super easy, and the best part is how light it is. The battery pack is inside the board. Look at that. It's not here, it's not here, it's inside the board. Of course, this is, I guess, the transmitter, what changes the power, and says it's to the tires. It's a dual motor. Both tires have this speed on them. Well, look right there. I'll put it up close, just so you see that. Brake. Oh, and by the way, it has regenerative braking, which means that when you brake, you're not losing that power. That power is being transmitted back to the battery pack, which is giving you more time to use your skateboard. This is awesome. If you haven't noticed, this is a new studio. I'm still in the process of setting it up, getting all designed, getting all nice and beautiful. The wheels are 84 millimeters wide. They are actually pretty big. Let me show you. Look at that. My hand cannot close. They're really big, which helps you to go around bumps and different uncomfortable sides of the road. Here in New York especially, you have that a lot. The deck itself, 38 in length, 9 inches wide, 0.6 height. So it's, look at that. Look at my hand. My hand is actually even bigger than the board. To recharge, it actually takes 2 hours. The most that it takes is 200 pounds. To be honest with you, I'm 210. and it's handling me very, very well. This is the model TeamGee H6 Classic. It is pretty awesome. I'm gonna leave my ambassador link below, which helps. If you get one of these boards, it will help this channel continue to make more videos like this. This is pretty awesome, guys. I actually, honestly, I'm in love with this skateboard, and I'm in love with being able to get it and riding to work on it every day. You know how fun it is to ride this skateboard all over town, and I get to work on it? It's pretty cool and awesome, yo. For real. I've been going through difficult terrain. Like sometimes the streets here in New York, you have to always be in the lookout because they are not well paved. But so far, I don't have anything I haven't fall, I haven't done anything. It's handled those bumps very well. I mean, I think this is the best thing I got in a long time, honestly. I'm having a blast on it right now. So let's say that for any reason you get home late from work and you need to ride at night. It actually has a light which you can use to let people who know in front of you or behind you that you're actually going, so you can be seen. I mean, come on. Is it helpful or isn't it helpful? I will leave my ambassador link below or affiliate link below. You can support the channel by buying the skateboard through us if you're interested, of course. I'm not interested on selling you something you don't want. But it's pretty awesome. I'm loving the ride of it. I love it every time I get on it and accelerate. Sometimes I feel like I don't have enough time in the day to ride on it. I'm too busy doing business stuff and all that other good stuff. I hope that you guys are able to get what you want when you want it. And if this is what you want, get it right now. I'm in love with the skateboard, honestly. I don't know how many times I can say it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy all the shots that I took, and it gives you a good description of the skateboard. I don't roll out because I'm inside my house right now. I'm recording this part of the video, but see you later.